So one of the things that you can do in Jotform while you're making form is add in quotes as well. So to add in properly formatted quotes, we need to go ahead and add in quotes widget. So to do that, you can go to the widget section while you're making the form, and then what you can do is type in quote right here. Then you can see that quotes widget is there. Simply click, and then here what you can do is add in the quote. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and then, let's say, for example, paste out a quote right here just like this. And then you can see the quote right here. And over here on the bottom, you can go ahead and add in the author. So let's just go ahead and add that out as well. And then you can see the quote right here just like this. So this is basically what you have. You can go ahead and update, and you get the quote right here just like this. Let's just go ahead and then preview out the form right here. And once that is done, you can see the code right here just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize quotes widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe